If you need to share your resume as a link, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using probably one of the easiest softwares to do it with. So let's dive in. So we're going to be using Tiiny.Host for this operation, and it's actually quite a fantastic website. What you're going to do is sign up for free, and you'll find yourself on this page. You'll see there's an upload button here. Let's click this. Now you can choose the format of which your resume is going to be in. Mine is in a PDF, and you can go and click on upload file. You can see here that my file has been uploaded, and right at the top you can create a link name. So you can say, just for example's sake, resume of Sam, or whatever the case may be. You can also add additional files, but we are going to just have a look at the access over here. So you can restrict it to a password protected. You can also capture potential leads by inquiring visitors to enter their email address. And then you can also just have this completely public. You will need to upgrade for some of these options. You'll have a presentation mode. You can also hide it from search engines, and then you can also disable their PDF download. For now, we're going to go and click on publish. Now, within this dashboard page, you'll see all of your activities. So over here, you can see the name that we gave it, resume of Sam. Will have the extension .tiny.site. Here you can copy your link. You can create a QR code, and then you can also embed it if you would like to go ahead and do that. Let's just go ahead and click on copy link, and from here we can just close this, and you can actually manage everything right from here under my projects. You'll see you can edit your PDF. You can also have a look at some analytics as to who has viewed your resume and where they're from, and you can see a bunch of other details over here.